How to transfer data from iPhone to your new Android device. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily transfer your iPhone data to your new Android device. Let's begin. So there are a few things that you have to mind before you begin anything. So the first thing that you have to note is that you must have Android 12 and up to use the switch to Android app. Most Android versions support cable data transfers, so you also need an internet connection to copy data from one device to another. It is recommended that you connect both of your devices to your Wi-Fi network. You can also use a cable to transfer data during your initial setup device. And some phone models allow cable transfer for up to a few days after initial setup. So you can refer to a phone manufacturer's support site for more information. Alright, after that, if an organization like a business school or something manages your iPhone, you may not be able to transfer all of your data. So what you have to do is, before you begin, charge both devices. Make sure that you unlock the old device with a PIN, pattern, or password. And optionally, you can turn off the auto lock feature on your iPhone. Check storage on both your old and new devices. You won't be able to transfer all of the data if there isn't enough storage on the new device. So the first step you have to do is turn on your new Android device and tap on Start. Then you have to connect to a mobile network. So if there is no connection available, you can transfer data during setup. And without connection, you cannot sign into your Google account or copy apps and data or get a software update and automatically set up time and date. If that doesn't work, then you can opt to connect to a mobile network where you have, if you have a physical SIM card, remove it from your iPhone and insert it to your new Android phone. And if you have an eSIM, you can also download it from your carrier. Then you have to connect it to Wi-Fi network, and the last step is to copy all of your apps and data. So you can connect both of the devices using Lightning or Type-C cable and copy all of your apps and data. It is important that you must turn off iMessage on your iPhone before you begin copying your data, and both devices must be connected with each other for the entire transfer process. And you have to stay with your phone because you must enter your PIN throughout the process, and you need a USB-C to Lightning cable or an adapter to connect both phones. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I will see you on the next one.